Hello friends, I won't tell you about Sur-Ron XL kit. I want to tell you about what is this, what can you get if you will use this kit. My height is 1 meter 83 centimeters. When I try to sit on stock Sur-Ron in the shop, I realized that bike it's a bit small, but if you will put higher handlebar it will be okay. So I decided to buy Sur-Ron for myself. After I start riding, after a few weeks, I start to understand that it's not only low, it's also too short for me. And I start to thinking how to make it longer and higher. First idea, of course, it's to make a swing arm longer, make some extenders here. But original swing arm is not stiff enough, it's a little bit flimsy. And if you will make it longer, it will be even more flimsy. And other problem, the linkage will be changed, and you will need, if you have longer swing arm, you need a stiffer shock, you need a different shock or very hard spring. Therefore, I decided to create a kit which will make Sur-Ron longer with this way. We'll just move pivot point for swing arm to back, also move progression link pivot point to back, and because we move all suspension, we also need to move our shock, so upper shock mount is also removed to back. These steps give me extra 85 millimeters to my wheelbase, and also we need to make our seat higher, so this part make our seat a little bit higher, and 50 millimeters lifting. Also, because we have bigger bike, we able to move our seat to back. So here we have 15 millimeters lifting and 15 millimeters moved to back. Now sitting position is much more comfortable. To make this all durable, we made some extra parts. It's cross braces, which make all this construction more like box to avoid side-to-side movement and destroy your mounting points to your frame. So altogether, it's not just two plates, it's like box. You cannot move it from side to side. We use D16T alloy. This material has roots in Soviet military and aerospace industries. A lot of material has been cut inside the load-bearing parts to lighten the weight. If we talk about weight, we take a little more than 5 kilograms of aluminum, cut off the excess, and get the weight 2.8 kilo for finished kit. Our foot pegs also removed to 15 millimeters back from original point where they are located on stock Sur-Ron. If 15 millimeters not enough to you, you can get extra 25 millimeters, so together you can get 75 millimeters from original point. Between seat extender we have two parts to remove your upper shock mount. Here is cross brace and special lock to mount your shock in new position. In this position you will get 10 millimeters more clearance, but also we have extra mounting points, and if you want more clearance you can mount it lower, so you will get 25 millimeters extra clearance if we compare with stock Sur-Ron. This is a good option for those who use 21 inches front wheel, or who want to use 16 inches rear wheel, or simply use a longer fork. Now you see the footage where I ride my Sur-Ron before rework. And let's compare this to Sur-Ron XL. Even visually there is a huge difference, but there is even greatest difference in sensation. Now I have bike that fits perfectly. My Sur-Ron is very different from stock. I have a custom seat and pit bike fenders. To give you an accurate idea on dimensions, I took some photos. Here we put the stock Sur-Ron with the front wheel against the wall and took a photo. Then we put my Sur-Ron with the standard seat without any fenders in same position. I removed all the plastic for cleanest comparison possible. Then we took same pictures with the seated rider, whose height is 1 meter 83 centimeters. Also we took photos with the rider from standing position. If you are a tall rider and want get a proper size for your Sur-Ron, please you can order our kit. Exclusive rights to sell our kit has our friends from Sur-Ron shop. Please contact them and order your own Sur-Ron XL kit. Make your bike proper size to your body. Big boys need a big toy. Have a good ride.